Hey guys, welcome back. David D here from the Get a Clue Marketing Show, and I gotta tell you, I want to show you how you can save 3 hours of your time trying to transfer your photos over to your PC using an iPhone and Windows 10. Okay, and obviously I'm not the only one, as you can see. There are thousands of people having the same problem, and I don't know why. My last update has started giving me a lot of issues, okay? Also, here's another symptom. If you see a circled exclamation point on the photo itself that you're trying to unload, the reason for that, if you're seeing an exclamation point, what's happened is if you go over to your settings, go over to photos, okay? You want iCloud photos. Optimizing your iPhone storage will compress your photos and your videos. Okay, I'm choosing to download and then keep the original. I don't have it uploaded to my photo stream. I don't have any shared albums right now. Okay, this is where that issue comes into play. When you click off your cellular data, you're not going to have signal to download it because it's not giving you permission. It says turn off cellular data to restrict updates to Wi-Fi, including shared albums and iCloud. So that's something that you don't want it to use up all your data automatically. So you would click those off, okay? But let me show you what happens to your photos. Okay, so you come over here. It gives you this warning notification. Cellular data is turned off for photos. I'm going to just hit OK before switching it over. Let me find a really quick something meme. All right, so now I'm going to save it to my files. You'll see down here it's got copy, slideshow, assigned to contact, use as wallpaper, print, copy. Now, here's something that I first did was copy to the iCloud link, or copy an iCloud link so that you can open up the app in your space, and then you would be able to paste the link onto the iCloud app. Okay, that's not what I want. I want to save it to files. Now, when you save it to files, you open up your, let me show it to you. You're going to download the iCloud drive, okay? It's an app that you can download from Apple, and it'll go onto your PC. And it'll have it under the directory and main heading iCloud Drive. So this is where your files, when it says save to files, unable to share, there is an error. Do you see that? So let me show you how to fix that. You hit cellular data, you turn this on, and I also have unlimited updates. That means that it will update to the iCloud photos when you're not connected to the Wi-Fi, okay? But be careful of that, because if it's using data, you can get charged overpriced on your cell bill, okay? So let's go back to the photos. Now that I changed that, go over to share at the bottom. Scroll over to saved files. Okay, save the files. Hello. Preparing. See how it prepares? It's getting ready to ask you where you want it. You want it your iCloud Drive. Add. Okay, so something went wrong. Let's go back to settings. No, there it is. That was weird. Okay. Because I was getting the explanation point. Maybe it wasn't getting a good signal. All right, let's do it again just for measure. I'm going to try another one. There's a lamb, a sheep, a goat. Jeez. They all look the same. Now I'm going to take it, put it over to my save to files, preparing. Go over to iCloud Drive, or if you have a Google Drive, or back onto your iPhone, which is interesting. But I choose the iCloud drive. Boom, hit add. And you should see it pop up here, along with this other goat. And there it is, okay? So that's how you do that. I got to tell you, man, I was really pulling my hair out about this and things like that. Now, that works. One more thing I just want to show you. It also works with Wi-Fi, okay? I wanted to make absolutely sure that it worked because sometimes Wi-Fi is sketchy with other people in the house. Okay, so we go back. I'm going to do this one more time for you. Let's see. We'll do this one laying down. Okay. Eventually I'll get all these on there, but I'm not going to waste your time doing that. Here it is preparing. It's compressing it to go transfer over to your PC. Should be coming up any second now. After I hit add, of course. So anyway, you know, the first place I usually go to is YouTube, looking for this stuff. Okay, here you go, right here. And this is what it looks like. Ha ha. All right, well, I wanted to pass that on to you guys. You know, this is David D. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. And I will talk to you on the other side. Thanks a lot for subscribing too.